Hello, artists! Are you ready to draw a number block? To begin, you'll need a piece of paper, an orange pen, a purple pen, a pink pen, and a black pen. Today, we're going to draw Numberblock Two.
Yay!
Yes, it's your turn too. First, we start by drawing Numberblock Two's body. Don't worry about getting it all perfect. Take your time. You can pause the video whenever you like. Numberblock 2 has 2 blocks. We're going to draw him standing tall, with one block on top of the other. Let's draw 2's blocks now using your black coloured pen. There are 4 sides and they're all the same length. Let's start. We'll start with the first block. 1 across, 1 down, back across, and then back up to where you started. Now we'll draw the second block.
1, 2. 2 blocks. Yay!
There we have it! 2's body. Next, we need to draw the arms and legs. Numberblock 2 has 2 arms. Let's draw a squashed sausage shape on either side of the body. 1 arm,
Ooh!
2 arms.
Yay!
Now for the legs. Numberblock 2 has 2 legs with socks and shoes. So we'll draw 2 legs under the bottom square, 2 little lines to make the first leg, and a foot shape at the bottom. Then a line above the foot to make a sock. That's 1 leg. And then we do that all again for the other leg.
1, 2. 2 shoes. And 1, 2. 2 socks.
Next, let's draw 2's face. He has 2 big oval eyes. So let's draw 2 lovely ovals. 1 oval, 2 ovals. And then the same on the right eye. But 2's eyes aren't finished yet. What's missing? That's right, his glasses. So we're going to draw a line that starts on the left side of 2's head and curves over the top of each of his eyes, like this. And another line that curves under the bottom of each of his eyes, like this. That's 2's glasses. Let's draw his mouth now. It's like a little sausage shape, slightly slanted so he's smiling a bit. And then another line inside the sausage shape. Take your orange pen and your other colouring pens and colour in Numberblock 2. Be careful to stay inside the lines.
Ooh! Wow! Ooh, cool!
What a fantastic number block! Have we forgotten anything? Oh, yes! 2's numbering! Let's get ready to write. Am I holding my pen the right way? 2 fingers and 1 thumb. That's the way that writing's done.
1 curve down is what you do, then straight across to make a 2.
Thanks, 2. 1 curve down is what you do, then straight across to make a 2. And now with the left hand. 1 curve down is what you do, then straight across to make a 2. Yes, 2. 2, what can you do? Marching, that's true. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I think 2 is too tired. Let's take a break. Or 2.